Welcome to the first tutorial of real-time technology. Today I'll be doing a laptop screen replacement on a Gateway MD2614U model. I get my laptop screens from laptopscreen.com. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you'll want to remove the screws on the back panel. You'll also want to go ahead and get the battery out of the way. And remove the screws and 2 screws on the left side and the right side of the outer case on the corners. You want to remove these 2 wires clipped to the board here. And you'll let those loose for now. And the screw in the middle holding the optical drive in. And the 2 screws that the optical drive will expose on the left side. Next, flip it over and you will want to remove the plastic cover here, which has been done most of the way for me by the drop, but a plastic tool to pry off the sides. And remove the ribbon cable connecting here. Next, there are 3 screws top of the keyboard. Lift the keyboard off, and there will be another ribbon cable connecting to the motherboard that you'll remove. This particular one, the black part flips up and will release the ribbon cable quite easily. Now you can feed the cables through the 2 wires that you freed on the back side through the top. And you also need to free these 2 connectors from the motherboard. Next, there are 2 screws on each side of the hinges. And at this point, you should be able to free the entire screen. The plastic casing peels off just like from the keyboard. Okay, next you will want to free the ribbon connecting to the board for the webcam. And you'll want to remove all 3 screws on the hinge to the back plate on both sides. Two screws, one at the top of each corner. And we'll want to remove the right connector at the bottom of the screen. Now to free the screen, there are 2 screws holding the frame on each side to remove. Next, there's a ribbon here that we'll be removing from the back of the screen. Now that your old one is free, time to put on the new one. Typically it comes covered, obviously, to avoid damaging it, and I would leave this on during installation just to be safe.